Oh, alah, ngapain tuh? Hei, awas jatuh. Hei, hei. Okay, this is ridiculous.
I don't speak dog, but I'm sure the husky is winning.
This is Julian, and laundry day is basically his version of spa day.
Before learning how to be kings of the savannah, they master the art of sharing. Bro just discovered the upside-down happiness mode. Few seconds.
Yeah?
Yeah, good boy. Okay, don't come all the way in. Nick, go back.
Whoa. Come on, dude.
The perks of this job must be amazing to keep this naughty guy still.
Molly has the whole house to choose from, and somehow the stairs still win.
The makings of the wildest ride.
to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome.
Goose, I have a birthday present for you, okay? You ready? Look, you're not gonna get on a leash, but there's nowhere to go.
Stop it. Stop it. Mom's gonna kill you. Mom.
These fellas are naturally curious about anything long and stringy. That's why they often play with their tails.
Happy birthday to you. Gonna eat your cake, Pip?
Making friends, but always ends up scaring others with their paws and claws.
This is when the furry artist lets his artistic flow freely.
A typical lazy Sunday usually has this kind of vibe going on.
¿Te falta algo o estamos bien? Digo, nomás para...
Remember, don't take public transportation if you're nearly late for work, or you'll be like that orange guy.
These tiny creatures prove that sometimes the safest place is next to a human. Thanks.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you sleeping?
That's a very special kind of comfort.
That's not the best way to let your mum know you can swim, doggo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome.
What? Snow. Oh!
wait, I'm stuck? Ugh, I knew that last snack was a mistake.
Very cute.
Happy birthday to you. All right, there you go, buddy.
At 3 a.m., cats become creatures of mystery.
If you have a sibling, you'll realize just sitting and breathing can totally annoy them.
Some travelers only bring the essentials.
Happiness spots hide is unexpected quarters, sometimes even in uncomfy places.
Sometimes no intense games needed, even the silliest ones are enough as long as they're together.
Oh, yeah. That's a station that I like. It's called Jazz Covers Pop. I like it. Handsome.
Is my popcorn from my lunch. Kitten!
Some cats ask for snacks. Others handle it themselves.
My level of commitment when a drama break.
Dogs have a special talent for sleeping in the weirdest positions possible.
He's a little cute right now. Yes, he's a little. He's a little cute. Crazy boy.
Why, yes, I do sit with elegance and grace. It's just who I am, darling.
Hey human, I am the original baby in this house. Pick me up.
Ow! What are you doing? You little rascal.
Все, оставляй палку дальше. Пойдем, Гав, пойдем.
Perhaps something big went down, and it makes today's cathood meeting packed to the brim.
Let's go, Dad. My paws are ready, and your pace is questionable.
Belle, baby girl. Ma'am, what are you doing? Did you take out the soda thing so that you had room?
Alfie, you going to look at Mom? Very naughty.
There are two typical types of girls that we all know.
The vines didn't trap him. He's becoming a forest spirit.
Yep, just over 16 foot, Teal. Okay, thank you.
Doggo definitely deserves lots of candy for such an awesome Halloween outfit. Doggo's making sure you don't use all that hot water.
A little confused about what species he belongs to.
Los bomberos versión Santa Tere.
Here's another one.
He just wanted to let his teammates know to come out and greet him.
He's done with the trees. He's a captain now.
Siapa kayak paling cantik di dunia ini? Apakah Neng ada ikan?
My cat is being so bad right now. Look at him. No. No. Take your...
Wait. Good boy.
One, two, three, go!
Never underestimate a dog with a donut on the line.
This is exactly how guys act when they accidentally anger their girlfriends.
If you refuse to drink water the traditional way, then accept being this soaked buddy.
Buddy, are you okay?
Oh my gosh, he's having so much fun. Oh! Okay, well, Mom was unbothered. Couldn't help that one, huh? Oh my gosh, yeah.
This puppy made it pretty clear she loves her new bed.
It'll be the toilet paper. Why is it here?
Hi. Billy, what happened?
What are you doing?
If these helpful pets made you laugh, please like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
Most of these aren't yours, actually. Some of them are, but like, I know you love all the babies, and that's so sweet, and I'm so proud of you, and I love you so much, but like, that's not yours. It's hers. She obviously doesn't.
This is when even their passion for grooming can't override their pure disgust for an unpleasant scent.
Being speedy often means you're also kinda clumsy. It's the truth.
This might be the sleepiest snack ever.
I am inactive, but my license is inactive, but it's still here.
такой смешной.
Every kid on this planet is the same.
Oh my god, who is that?
Round in water.
Finding someone knows Buddy's obsession for grooming is hard, so your choice is totally perfect.
Leave them alone for 1 hour. And this happens.
What have you done?
Someone in the neighborhood's official gossip reporter. Drama, here I come. When you were born a cat, but dream of becoming a turtle.
He's sleeping like tomorrow's somebody else's problem.
Mi scusi, dove vuole andare? Non litigate, dai. Non litigate, non litigate. Mi fanno ribaltare.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the loudest howls and the biggest tantrums of our dramatic huskies.
Retrievers really do love showing off their finds.
Hank, that's someone's duck.
Stop fighting and handle this like adults.
Oh, shit.
What's this sparkly thing? What if I touch it? Wait, is this magic human?
He's going crazy. He's got the zoomies. Oh, he died.
You can literally see him considering bad ideas.
No! No! What are you doing? Oliver! Kill me right now! Are you chasing this? Oliver!
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
He's not tumbling for clout. He's literally baiting you into a game of tag.
Usually.
Wait, Maria, are you okay?
Wow, very... Wait lang ha. Pakita natin kay Mamo di tempo.
He's either very smart or very lucky.
Guys, you're experiencing the happiest moment of my entire life thus far. Welcome to this moment. I am so happy right now.
She really wants to make sure everyone knows she's excited.
Videos usually have ads, but this one's got a seriously furry interruption.
I don't understand. Watch this. Kitty, you get to be outside.
Privacy? Yeah, not in this house.
Why, Kitty?
So, you're the only one secretly eating my food. Guess I need to teach you some manners, newbie.
When the zoomies hit, but you accidentally mistake them for a zombie challenge.
Ready? Get red hard. Get it. Did you get it? Yeah.
He's literally getting paid to be a fairy godfather to a bunch of flightless toddlers in tuxedos.
Let's see if this table's useless. Wait, what? I didn't expect it to be this good.
Gonna come down with us? Good girl.
Black Dog be like, hey buddy, ready for today's adventure?
Plankton actually is genius. He's a little plankton. Okay, now I'm motivated to buy it. Yes! Rose SpongeBob.
Mom, I found my long-lost cousin. Let's keep him.
Природа. Я как эйс-вентура создатель. Помните фильм? Вокруг него все играют. Да,
To these little ones, being the same size means they're family.
I don't
Voilà, il faut savoir que Mist a une définition bien à elle de l'espace personnel.
Bloody hell.
No. See, pawns can only go up. You can't push them sideways. Putting in the queen's tile, you can't do that.
Teaching a cat the rules is only half the battle.
That's cheating.
Doggo's taking notes so he can figure out exactly how to bypass the training later.
Look at this little bitch. Uh-huh. What you want? Want water turned on? Alright. Go for it, my guy. You spoiled little man.
It's not just humans who are fans of Nyan Cat.
Bro thinks standing on 2 legs looks more intimidating, but he completely forgot about his hilarious posing.
Puppy's really enforcing the no leaving policy. Separation is simply not allowed. Safety first. I can do.
Say hi. Okay, let's go. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Come on. All right.
When you're convinced the mirror's hiding an imposter, and take matters into your own paws.
Hi. Ja, det där får jag. Jag har inte på med vagnen då. Vad gör du, killen?
Puska har fått, oj. Ja, hejsan. Ja, hejsan.
Oh, they're so close.
Holy crap! He goes for these. Oh, yeah.
Yes!
That's what he's doing.
These sassy animals might wage a war forever if no one stepped in on time.
Why does he act like he knows he's got 8 lives left?
Baby goat's not aggressive. She's giving the play with me now energy.
How can you stay still for so long? Move! That's way too complicated, buddy.
What's going on?
Food detection system activated. She's scanning the area for snacks like a radar.
Problems for themselves. That's why they've mastered impressive problem-solving skills.
Huh?
Looks like someone's found the warmest, softest pillow in the world.
Looks like a friendly potato can literally bite a crocodile in half. Peak deception.
Georgia, say hi. Hi.
Dito! Dito! Kaya mo lang siya.
And on the menu looks delectably authentic, but 0 calories.
What did you do? Fuse, guys.
Every DIY game their dad comes up with.
What have you gotten yourself into? What have you gotten yourself into?
It's time to get up. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Cats aren't just bossy with their owners, they're bossy with every single living creature within their control.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even...
Because she wants me to get the whole thing. Come on out, Grace. You've been in there for a while. It's time to get out. Come on.
When your little bro starts growing taller and acting up, you realize it's time.
No, 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 no. Ow. 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 Ow.
This is the weirdest feature ever. I've got to avoid that button on my kitty.
He's like...
minutes.
Gonna give it my all. Cause when the tap turns on and the water falls, and paws are gonna spiral.
Furballs only have a talent for balance, but risk management, not a chance.